Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways to set up Autopay for your Wells Fargo credit card. So in order to set up an Autopay for Wells Fargo credit card, you just have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing, you just have to go and log in into your Wells Fargo account, and when you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to the home page. When you have done that, you just have to go to the payment section, and then you should be able to find this option as make same day payment or schedule future payment, and then you just have to go ahead and click on manage your credit card payments from your mobile device. When you've done that, you could go ahead and press on set up Autopay, and when you have actually set up or when you've actually pressed on it, you'll automatically deduct your payment from the account you choose. Now no need to add your Wells Fargo credit card details, now they're already there, so you can just go ahead and set up your Autopay just like that. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.